What is this loudness? Loudness is that characteristic properties of sound by which a a loud sound can be distinguished from a faint note. Okay. What is the shape of displacement time graph for a loud note and a soft note? Displacement time. Displacement along y-axis, time along x-axis. Okay. Displacement, and here along x-axis I am taking time. Okay. I am taking equal gap. I am drawing these lines keeping gap equal. Here this is the displacement time graph. In this case, this. Let me tell one thing. Loudness is that characteristic of sound by which a soft sound can be distinguished from a loud sound, having same waveform and same frequency. Both the waves have same waveform. Look here, shape of wave is same. So, share same waveform. And they must have same frequency. Look at the gap. The gap is same. Gap is same. So, frequency is same. For both the waves, frequency is same. Waveform, that is the shape of wave, that is also same. But what is the difference? Look at the difference. This is amplitude. Here amplitude is this. Amplitude is different. Okay. Here more amplitude means loudness of the sound will be more. Clear? So here waveform is same, frequency is same, but a soft note is different from the loud note by their amplitude. Smaller amplitude represents soft note, and here amplitude is more, so this one represents loud note. Now, suppose you are playing the guitar. If you strike the wire of the guitar smoothly, gently, then you will hear soft note. But if you strike the same string harder, then you will hear louder note. While you are striking it harder means amplitude of vibration becomes more. As a result, loudness becomes more. Okay? Now, suppose you have a drum. First beat it by using a pencil, it produces soft note. If you strike it by a stick, then it produces loud note. Why? Because while you are beating this membrane with a stick, then amplitude of vibration increases. As a result, loudness increases. Clear? Then, by the same way, if you strike the strings of piano softly, then you will get soft note. If you strike them hard, then you will get loud note. The next one is loudness depends upon some factors. What are the factors? First one, loudness depends upon amplitude of wave. That one I have told already. Greater the amplitude, loudness of the sound will be more. Then another one, loudness depends upon distance of source of sound from the listener. Suppose this one is the source of sound, okay, and you are here. In the second case, this is the source of sound, same source of sound. Now you are standing far away from the source. In this case, loudness will be more. As distance of the person from the source of sound increases, so automatically loudness will become less. Okay? Then next factor, it depends upon surface area of the vibrating body. In this case, I will tell the example of tabla and dhak. In case of tabla, while you are playing the tabla, then just your neighbor will be able, maximum your neighbor will be able to hear the sound of tabla. But if you play a dhak from far away, that sound will be heard. Okay, the sound of dhak, the sound made from the dhak will reach far away, but the sound made by the tabla will not be able to reach far distance. Why? Because in case of tabla, the area of the vibrating surface is very small, but in case of dhak, the area of the vibrating membrane, it is larger. Okay, as the area of vibrating membrane is larger, it is able to send greater amount of energy. So this loudness of this sound is more. So loudness increases with increase in area of the vibrating body. Clear? Then next one, loudness depends upon sensitivity of the listener also. Some sound, it may become soft to me, but it may become louder to you. Okay, so loudness of a sound depends on sensitivity of the ears of a listener. Now earlier I told loudness depends upon amplitude. More amplitude means loudness of the sound will become more. Okay, then what is the mathematical relation between them? Loudness is directly proportional to amplitude square. Clear? Suppose in this case, here let amplitude, here amplitude is 1 centimeter, and here amplitude it is just double. So let amplitude is 2 centimeter. Clear? Then what is the ratio of loudness between these two sounds? Okay, I am making, this is sound wave 1, this is sound wave 2. So L1 by L2, L1 by L2, amplitude square I told, loudness is proportional to amplitude square. So here in the first wave amplitude is 1 square, and for second wave amplitude is equal to 2 centimeter. So it is 2 square. So I can write L1 by L2 1 upon 4. Okay, so L2 is equal to 4 L1. So for the second wave loudness becomes 4 times the loudness of first wave. Did you notice? L2 is equal to 4 L1, 4 times of the wave number 1. So loudness of second wave is 4 times than the loudness of the first wave.